How to change phone number in Mint? First of all, open the Mint app or visit the Mint website and log into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, go to your account settings by clicking on Intuit account in the bottom left corner. This is where all your personal details are stored, including your email, name, and phone number. Next, look for the sign in and security option in the left sidebar and click on it. Now, tap on the phone number option. For security, Mint will ask you to verify your identity. You may be prompted to enter your password or confirm a code sent to your registered contact. Follow the prompts to continue. Once verified, you will be able to type in your new phone number. Double check that the number is correct, then click Save or Update to apply the changes. After this, you will receive a verification code on your new number. Enter that code when prompted to confirm the update. Without this verification, the change won't be completed. And that's it. Now you know how to change phone number in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.